friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make an elephant craft for the letter E. To make this elephant craft, we're going to start out with a blue piece of A4 paper. We're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to fold it in half. We're going to fold it this time a little less than a half. We're going to leave some space at the top, and then we're going to cut it like this. This way we can cut out the letter E without using a template. Then we're going to draw and cut out elephant ears. Next we're going to draw and cut out the trunk. Now we're going to add some color to our elephant by making the inner part of the ear pink. We're going to draw it and cut it out. Then we're going to cut out the eyes. We're going to draw a white circle and cut that out as well. Now we have all our pieces. We're ready to assemble our elephant. Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Are you ready to make a craft with me?
Yes.
Do you know what this letter is?
It's the letter E.
Do you know some words that start with the letter E?
Eggs equals elephant.
That's great, and that's exactly what we're going to make today. We are going to make an elephant. First, we're going to glue the letter E onto the paper. Then we're going to add these. Do you know what these are?
Yes, ears, elephant ears.
And do you know what letter ear starts with?
E.
Now we're going to glue our ears onto the elephants. We're going to glue the outside part of the ear, and then we're going to glue the inside part of the ear. Next, we're going to glue this. Do you know what this is?
Yes, it's an elephant trunk. The elephants use it to pick up heavy things.
Next, we're going to add on the eyes.
I starts with the letter E.
Very good. We are going to add the eyes, and then we can color in the pupils. I'm going to add some eyelashes.
And I'm gonna add some curly hair.
Next, we're going to write the word elephant on the top. After that, we're going to practice writing the letter E at the bottom of the page. Good job, my friend.
Thank you. I really enjoyed doing the letter E craft with you.